In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a notes database in Notion step by step, using a ready-made template that saves you a ton of time. If you're a student, creator, or professional who takes lots of notes and wants them organized in one clean system, this is going to be perfect for you. We'll walk through everything from finding the template to customizing it for your own workflow. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're on the page where you want your notes database to live. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the page and click on the small arrow icon. This opens up additional options for the page. From the menu that appears, click on Templates. This will take you into Notion's template marketplace, where you can browse templates created by the community and Notion experts. In the search bar inside the marketplace, type in Notes Hub. This will help you quickly find a powerful notes database template designed specifically for organizing different types of notes in one place. Once you see the template called Notes Hub in the results, click on it to open the template page. Take a quick moment to look over what the template includes so you know what you're adding to your workspace. When you're ready, click on the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add this template. Choose the option to add it to your private workspace so it's only visible to you. Next, you may see an option asking if you want to allow the creator to add you to their mailing list for updates, promotions, or helpful tips. You can check or uncheck this based on your preference. After making your choice, click Submit to continue. Notion will now automatically add the Notes Hub template to your workspace. Once the process is complete, click on Notes Hub from your sidebar to open it. Congratulations, your notes database is now set up. From here, you can start customizing everything to match your personal needs. You can rename the Notes Hub, change icons or covers, and adjust the structure to fit how you like to work. Click into different sections and databases inside the hub to explore how notes are organized by category, topic, or status. You can also click on folders inside the Notes Hub and customize them further. This is where you can create different folders for classes, projects, meeting notes, content ideas, or anything else you track in Notion. Feel free to add new properties, change views, or delete anything you don't need. The goal is to make this notes database work perfectly for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a notes database in Notion using a powerful template, and you now have a flexible system you can grow and customize over time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.